Most days at the beginning of class, one of the first things students need to do once they log on to their OneNote is to find their assignments. Once you log on to OneNote, whether through the internet or on your computer, then from there go to the OneNote on your computer because of increased editing opportunities. That's what I have here. This is OneNote on my computer. Notice this purple icon at the bottom. This is what OneNote looks like on the internet. So very similar but not exactly the same. Once I have OneNote open on my computer, click here on this purple tab that says File in the upper left-hand corner. Very first thing, Sync. Today I'm going to synchronize OneNote for Parents down here at the bottom. I'm going to sync now, and you'll see this little green bar travel along. It'll also travel along the top. Once that's done, then I have synchronized, and so I'm going to close it. Do that first. Once you've done that, at the top of your OneNote, you'll see these tabs. They may look slightly different for students. You'll see these sections, Collaborate, Lessons, and then you'll see your own student name. Now this is a teacher view, so I can see both students in this fictitious class, Catherine Miller and Robert Callahan. I'm going to pretend for today that I'm Robert Callahan. So I just synchronized, Robert just synchronized his notebook, and now Robert is going to get his assignment. Notice if I click on Robert's name, or if you click on your name, you should have one tab in 6th grade, perhaps more tabs in other grades. And inside the assignment tab is where you have your assignments. Now Robert does not have any assignments yet. So I'm going to click this little green arrow here, which takes me outside my folder, and I can see the larger OneNote. And I'm going to go to Lessons. This is where the teacher posts the class lessons. Click on Lessons. And on the right here, in the machine version, you'll see the different pages. Each of these lines is a page. Each page has an assignment on it. If I click here, this is the first assignment. If I click here, this is the second assignment, and so on. Notice that I have intentionally set these up so the oldest are at the bottom and the newest are at the top. That makes it easier, I think, for students to quickly find their assignments. But what order you put them in your own notebook, that will be up to you. So remember that I'm pretending I'm Robert. So I've opened OneNote. I'm clicking on Lessons. That's where the teacher posts their lessons. We're working in SketchUp, so I'm inside the SketchUp tab. And Robert is going to copy these assignments to his notebook. Here's how he does it. If he clicks on right clicks on this page, right click opens up this little menu, and I'm going to choose this option in the middle, Move or Copy. Do not choose this option because some features may be lost. Choose this option. So Robert's going to move or copy this page into his notebook. Now your interface will look slightly less confusing because I have so many options here. But I'm going to move this page. Here I am. My name is Robert Callahan. I'm going to click on this little plus on the left. Under Robert Callahan, there's one assignment section. Students will not have the option to move it because they cannot take the teacher page out. This is an option for me because I am the teacher. But students should click copy here. So Robert is going to copy this assignment into his assignment folder. Copy. Now, I'm still inside the teacher section. Sometimes students express frustration because they try to edit this page, upload files, and so on, but that's not possible because this is the teacher page, and that's not perhaps obvious from this appearance. But if you click on this green arrow, and students should do this after copying assignments into their folder, click on this green arrow. Now you can see your section. I'm going to click on Robert's section. If I go into Robert's assignments, I now see the page that I copied, 1014 SketchUp Intro. I'm going to delete that unnamed page. So I have one assignment page copied here. Students should copy their assignment page into their assignment into their assignment section in their OneNote notebook each day when they come to class. That is the first activity that students should do.